Hello guys! Good morning! Welcome back dito sa ating channel guys. Grabe! Ito yung mustard yellow flowers guys. Oh, dinaanan namin. Grabe guys! Super ganda. Makaalula ka sa ganda nito. As in talaga guys. Nagbibip-bip yung mga tao. So ayan yung mukha nyo. So ayan ang looks nyo guys. Pag nakita nyo ganyan. Oh. Ang ganda, super. Harvestin na yata ito guys kasi malawak na siya. Diba? Grabe. Beautiful. So ayan guys, second stop guys. Ay, nag-toilet muna ako. Kasi naiihi ako at saka mahangin. Si Sir pumunta sa cafe, bumili ng kape. Ayan, dyan sa likod. So dito guys, malaki yung fish. Picture tayo dito para mas ito guys, oh, mahangin. Grabe, hangin pa mo. Ito siya guys, oh. Ayan ang tawag dito is ayan ang malaking isda. Pwede na kayo mamingwit dito. Look, you know, salmon yan eh. Masarap yan i-bake guys. Maganda sana yung panahon, kaso lang mahangin. So yun, si Sir pumunta doon sa cafe. Yeah. Picture muna tayo. So yun guys, aalis na kami kasi magka-Christchurch. Si Sir nagkape na pala at saka nag-ice cream. Ang bilis niya. So nag-take lang kami ng photo doon. Mainit siya pero grabe yung hangin as you can feel. Nakita niyo naman. So yan si Sir. Hello Sir. Ayan, passenger. Pasok tayo mga guys. Drive-thru na. How you doing sir? You're not complaining?
Just like I bought one.
How is your ice cream and coffee?
Well, the ice cream was good. The cup of coffee, I thought, oh, you didn't know if I was sitting there or not.
Oh, I didn't know that you're sitting down there.
That's all right.
I thought you're coming and sit down there. No, never mind. You don't know. Okay, guys, let's go. And let's go to Christchurch. Okay, bye. So yan guys, pupunta pala kami dito sa may zoo ng Christchurch. So nandyan si Sir nasa likod. So magsasara sila ng ano guys, hours lang kami. Kasi naligaw kami yung dalawa. So yun guys, Orana Wild Park. Orana Park. Ayan si Sir papasok. My God. So ito yung face niya. Ow. Yun si Sir. So hinahanap namin yung place na mag-ano kami guys, magpipid ng there over there probably. Ayan na pala, nag-i-start na feeding the giraffe. So we'll go and proceed here guys. Mag-hot tayo kasi mainit mamaya. So ito pala madali lang hanapin eh, na-stress kami. Hang on naman na. We can go that way and the cafe. We probably here, Han. There, Han.
What?
We go this way. So nag-start na pala sila guys. Ayun, ang giraffe. Ang dami. From Africa.
Buffaloes over there.
Buffalo. Ayan si Sir. Nagreklamo. So ayan guys yung mga giraffe. Ayan. Feeding time. Pag nagdaganat kayo ko lang. Bisa ang labas mo niya. Ayun kasi may ano sila, pakain. Zinom na lang guys kasi hindi siya masyadong kita. Ayun naman guys, kalabaw. Bupalo daw yan. Sa atin, Kalabaw. Ayan, naliligo. Kasi hindi pa nakaligo ng ilang century. Charot.
It's my brother.
Your brother from another mother. Good on you. So yan guys, tapos na kami mag-view ng ano doon, ng rhino. Pupunta kami doon sa may orangutang. Or sa whatever na aming kapamilya ni Sir. We're gonna see our friend and our family. My other brother. Circle of the family. It's called Gorilla. Ayan guys. Dami. Kasi Sunday nga. Family day gahan. Ayan. Wala na. Malayo yung nilikutan namin. Ayan. Sorry guys. Umubo pa si Sir. Umubo pa sa ano video. Mahangin kasi lumilipad yung buhok ko. Ayan. Naiihi pa ako. Oh my gosh. So yan lang yung mga ganap dito. Sa zoo. Guys. Hello Merkat. How you doing? They're all at the top of the tree.
Oh, there.
And the tree, look, it's looking on you.
Oh, yeah.
Nandito din yung ano.
G'day.
G'day, Merkat. He's so cute. Guys, nandito na kami sa aking ano, kapamilya, ABS. Charot. Kapamilya or kapuso. Ito na siya, nag-exhibition etch. Ito sila. So yan na guys yung dalawa, oh, sa taas. Yan, exhibition pa more. Banji si Sir at saka si Madam, oh. Capsicum. Ayan, mga healthy diet yan. Kailangan kung gusto nyong pumayat, ito yung kainin nyo. Oh, veggie, may talong pa. Oh, diba? So, yun lang ang kakainin nyo guys para pumayat. Charot. Charot lang, oy. So, ayun, papunta kami. Iwan ko kung saan sila papunta. Yung bra ko, malabas na. Oh my God. So, hindi ko alam. So, pupunta pala kami doon sa may ano, Dragon Slayer. Hindi. Saan kami pupunta guys? Lion and Tiger. Are we gonna see the dragon? Dragon Slayer. We're gonna see the Dragon Slayer, alright? What do you think about the gorilla, sir? Cool? Are they look alike us?
Hardly.
You said I'm look alike of the orangutan. Oh, the size of the orangutan is size me. So the size of the apes. So ito yung size niya is gorilla size. And the orangutan size.
It's like the Philippine restaurant.
Yes.
It's Andrew Street, the Manila Gorilla.
Manila Gorilla. And it's not Manila Grill. Talaga to si Sir, minamarder yung pangalan ng ano, ng Manila Grill, Manila Gorilla. So ayan. So hindi ko alam kung saan pupunta ang dalawa. So we'll see because we got an hour left before we head home to our motel. So parang ano lang to, circle of life yung dinaanan naming dalawa. Oh my gosh, ang layo. Nagreklamo. Yo, sir! What's up, sir? Keep walking.
You go in front, or just walk alongside.
Yeah. No, I'm just walking.
Walking is going to beat my leg.
No, I'm just only walking. I just only, yeah, you know. Oh, there's a crocodile here. Whatever. Crocodile. I don't think the crocodile will live here in New Zealand. Fun fact, guys. Walang crocodile dito sa New Zealand at saka walang ahas dito sa New Zealand. Sir, why we don't have snake here in New Zealand? Can you answer them?
There's just never been.
It's never been. Why?
I don't know. Maybe it's too cold. I don't know.
So why we don't have a crocodile Dundee here?
It's too cold.
It's too cold. So yan ang
But I'm
mga
Dundee.
crocodile Dundee. So walang mga ganun kasi guys, hindi tropical place to yung New Zealand. Masyadong malamig.
I was from Central Otago, so I would be
Alligator.
Alexandra.
Alligator Alexandra. Good on you. At least you got the alligators Alexandra. So we're proceeding on the front. Huh?
Any animal?
Oh, I didn't see. They're not showing up. I told you there's a swamp there, so maybe there's a alligator crocodile. Alligator crocodile pa. Oh my gosh. So dito kami, titingin-tingin kami kung ano yung maganap. Ayan, mudfish. Ito, yan. Ay! So ayan guys, oh, may dalawang cheetah. Cheetah ba yung tiger? Cheetah yata yun eh. Ayan. Nagtago. Lumayas na. Hindi man lang lumapit. So kaya tayo dito guys, ha? Ay, nagpapahinga sila. Yung isa naglalakad. Diba? So kaya tayo dito sa ating kagubatan. Diba? So nandyan banda guys, oh, yung cheetah nagtatago. So nakikita nyo yan, ayan. Yung dalawa. Guys, si Donkey yung kaibigan ni Shrek. Charot. So ayan naman guys yung mga lion. Yung dalawa pinapasok na. Ito yung tatlo, naiwan pa. Ito yung dalawa at saka yung isa. Pero may isa pa na pinasok na doon. Kanila sa loob ng bahay. Bahay ni Kuya. Ayan, nag-aano na sila na gusto na din pumasok. Ayan, di ba?